तो रेजिडेंशियल के हिसाब से, कनेक्टिविटी के हिसाब से, ग्रीन स्पेस के हिसाब से, एजुकेशन वाइज, दिस इज अ ब्रिलियंट proposition. And if you're somebody who wants to invest in a plot, this is the right time to invest in Sonipat. Hi everyone and welcome back to another video by Digs.com. This is Priyanka and today I am standing in Sonipat. यहाँ पर आ रहा है Godrej अपने brand new project के साथ in sector 34 of Sonipat. This is very close to Delhi, only 16 minutes away when it comes to the distance from Delhi border. The project name is Godrej Green Estate, located in Sonipat, of course. I'm going to tell you more about this project and why it is good to invest in Sonipat. But before I take you inside, give you a full tour and tell you more about this project, let's first discuss why it is good for all the investors out there to put their money or invest here in Sonipat. So let's first talk about the connectivity. यहाँ से NH1 and Eastern Peripheral Expressway दोनों ही बहुत पास हो जाते हैं, जो कि connectivity को बहुत ही अच्छा कर देगा. उसके साथ ही साथ there is an upcoming rapid railway system which will again improve the commute. When we talk about the education sector, we also have a full hub of education. यहाँ तक कि IIT Delhi is also coming up with their expansion, creating their new campus in Sonipat. Apart from that, there's going to be a lot of job opportunities for all the people out there. So there's going to be good working class crowd in Sonipat because of the industrial growth. Maruti Suzuki specifically has invested 1100 crores over here, making their first plant in Sonipat. That is going to increase the job opportunities over here. Now we are done with the connectivity, you know the location, we are done with the education sector, the healthcare facilities is brilliant in Sonipat again, and the job opportunities are also there. The residential area is obviously going to improve and along with the job opportunities. Now when it comes to the airport, there's also going to be a new tunnel development which will from Panipat to IGI3 via Sonipat. Again, creating a connectivity, making it easy for all the people investing in Sonipat or already living in Sonipat to reach to the airport on time. So this was all about the location. You know that it is very close to Delhi, very accessible to Delhi. They are also improving the commute. The healthcare facilities are brilliant. The industrial areas are brilliant. The education system is also absolutely brilliant. Apart from that, there's a lot of space. This is a very open and green area where Godrej has invested with their new project. Now, let us talk about the project itself. This is plot-based project. यहाँ पे आप plot-wise invest कर सकते हैं, and it also creates a lot of opportunity for investors to invest depending on their needs. Of course, when you invest in a plot, you can invest as per your personal use. You can always create your own home. Apart from that, you can create builder houses over here and give them on rent. So आपकी rental income तो बढ़ेगी ही, उसके साथ ही साथ अगर आप personal use के लिए अपना घर बनाना चाहते हैं, that is also possible when it comes to the plot. And anyways, investing in plots has always been more beneficial than investing in already ready to move in flats. Let me take you inside to this 48 acres of land. यहाँ पर आपको 722 units मिलने वाले हैं. Sizes vary करेंगे, जो कि मैं आपको अंदर while I'm giving you a tour of the whole project, I will tell you more about it. So let me take you inside and let's explore together. Right now we are standing inside the 48 acres of project, जहाँ पर आपको 3.5 acres जो है वो green space को dedicate किया गया है. This whole project is divided into 4 different blocks, A, B, C, D, and I'm going to tell you more about the blocks. And we also have 15,000 square feet of clubhouse where you will get all the world-class amenities, be it the swimming pool. Even here, outside the clubhouse, you'll also have outdoor activities, garden spaces, gymnasium, and whatnot. Inside the clubhouse, you'll have indoor games, along with a lot of banquet halls and so many other things that you can think of. We also have a mini theatre over here in the open space as well. We'll give you a tour, of course. I'm standing right outside the sales gallery. If you're somebody who is interested investing in Sonipat, this is the right time. You'll get the right prices along with the infrastructure that is developing over here. So making it a great time and proposition to invest. Now let's move ahead and I will take you towards the green spaces that we have over here and tell you all about the different blocks that they have divided. here, when it comes to your security and safety, we also have 5-tier security system here. Now let me take you towards the children park and other parks which are being developed. Clubhouse हमारा अभी ही under construction है, so I'll not be able to showcase you that. But I've already told you they have all the world-class amenities that you need to have in a brilliant residential place. Well, I'm standing right outside the children's park, which is located in Block A of Orchard. Of course, सारे blocks के साथ आपको हर तरीके की facilities मिलती है. You'll get all these parks with all the blocks. आपके children के लिए बहुत accessible हो जाएगा. And this is just one of the activities that they have outdoors. They have badminton, they have basketball, swimming pool, all the indoor and outdoor games as well for your children and for all of you, of course. Now let's talk about the plot sizes over here and why it is great to invest in those plots. The plot sizes varies from 140 square yard to 180 square yard. That's a great size, and they are catering all kinds of customers and clients out there who want to invest in a plot. Investing over here is going to be beneficial because of course आप अपने तरीके से अपना घर बना सकते हैं अपने wish के accordingly, and अपना size भी you can select what kind of size you want to invest in. Apart from that, still +4 तक यहाँ पर आप accessible कर सकते हैं, अपनी building create कर सकते हैं, अपना घर create कर सकते हैं. You can earn also from those investment by putting it on rent. You can have made it for yourself, for your families, and apart from that, because यहाँ पे different sizes भी मिल रहे हैं, you can obviously invest as per your own wishes and requirements. Now, this was all about the kids play area. यहाँ पे amphitheater भी आपको मिल रहा है for your entertainment. If you're somebody who wants to enjoy with your family and friends and have a get together, that is a great idea to enjoy a movie. मैंने आपको क्लब हाउस के बारे में तो बता ही दिया है already. I've told you all about the facilities and amenities that they are providing over here. अगर हम लोकेशन के बारे में थोड़ा और बात करें तो मैं आपको ये भी बता देती हूँ. ऑफ कोर्स इट हैज अ ग्रेट कनेक्टिविटी टुवर्ड्स दिल्ली. सिर्फ 16 मिनट की दूरी पर दिल्ली आ जाता है. जीटी करनाल रोड पे तो सोनीपत आ ही जाता है, बट ये कुंडली मानेसर पलवल से भी आपको कनेक्ट करता है. कनेक्टिविटी इज जस्ट ब्रिलियंट. एयरपोर्ट से भी आपको कनेक्टिविटी मिलने वाली है बहुत जल्द रैपिड रेलवे की वजह से. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट देयर इज ऑल्सो NH1 एंड यू ऑल्सो हैव अ लॉट ऑफ ग्रीन स्पेस हियर. तो रेजिडेंशियल के हिसाब से, कनेक्टिविटी के हिसाब से, ग्रीन स्पेस के हिसाब से, education wise, this is a brilliant proposition. And if you're somebody who wants to invest in a plot, this is the right time to invest in Sonipat. If you want to know more about this complete project, about the amenities, facilities that they're providing in here in Sonipat with Godrej, please contact us. Our number is there down below. You can always contact us. You can share this video with your friends and family who are looking to invest in Sonipat, or if they want to invest in plots with different kind of varieties, starting from 140 square yard to 180 square yard that has all the kinds of amenities. This is literally a bliss for those who want to invest in plots, and also the right time. Contact us right now and we will help you out.